So why am I not a good leader? Tell them I'm not a good leader. We're recording.
No, I think you do need those. Yeah.
As Victoria makes the incision. Look at that skill. Beautiful.
Yeah. Nice.
Hey, what's up, Anna?
Okay.
Smile for the camera.
Keep going.
Stop. Okay, come on.
You're taking a video, you know that, right?
Yup.
Oh, we can watch the video, like, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, come on, keep sewing. Come on.
I have like 300 minutes of video, so.
Okay, well, all I have is a fetal pig right now. It's kind of... Yeah, let's get a top view of that pig. Ooh, what? What am I doing? No. Did you make a mistake, Victoria?
Nope. No.
Let's get a zoom in on that.
You can break the video.
Squishy, isn't it? Oh, look at that skin rip. So Anna, how come I'm not a good leader?
You just aren't.
Because you know I'm going to show this to Mr. Hunter.
Okay.
But then you're going to get me fired because I guess I'm a good leader. How would you sleep at night if you found out that you've got me fired?
Guys, I hate to tell you, but if you're not halfway through by 1 o'clock, you ain't gonna get done.
Uh-oh.
I gotta hurry.
Yeah.
Come on, stitch it up.
With a needle in there, which I think will only dull the needle, but that's okay.
It's okay, Victoria. It's just a pig, you know. I don't really care if you miss the bottom part as long as you do, like, base and everything. Alright, adios.